AAH13. Then we got this light. This guy's gonna leave. That one's C328, and you can see how it's totally disfigured. Hold on, let me get that. You see how the paint job just horrendous. Oh my God, you're gonna do that. See that thing is. Who are you?
Who are you?
Alright, so you got that. So you did that.
How can I help you?
That, you shouldn't honk the horn at me like that.
How can you're
That hurt my
right
ears.
in front of my vehicle?
What is that? So that's a confession. So that's, the back license plate is totally erased. You see that license plate? That's,
What are you doing though?
like, what are you doing? It's kind of self-evident what I'm doing. What do you mean beyond that?